Hello and welcome to part 82 of Build Your Own 3D Printer 3D Create and Print. Okay, in this issue we've got the upper rear hood frame, which is this. We'll talk about that more in a moment. Got the old usual web access code 987702. 3D printing bone. 3D printing could hold the key to a better bone implants, bone grafts and bone glue that can heal fractures more quickly. Okay. Making bones. 1 in 2 women and 1 in 5 men will suffer a fracture as a consequence of osteoporosis, where the bone weakens through tissue loss, and there are more than 80,000 hip operations in the UK each year. That's not to mention the other bone fractures, some 50,000 forearms and 40,000 vibrates each year that require resetting or reconstruction. It's all about making new bones. Based in Swansea, it has developed 2 bioprinters, Alpha above and can fabricate bone tissue, and Omega below can print a synthetic biocompatible bone. Okay. Cross section of a long bone. 3D printed bone is extremely tough. Stem cells are being widely used to measure into the 3D printing of medical implants. Okay. Modelling. This is a 3D design tutorial. Modelling with a lattice. This is Blender, so I've decided I'm not going to use it, it's too complicated. I like SketchUp, I find that's easier to use. Blender. Okay. Vector 10, sorry, stage 10, Vector 3, upper rear hood frame. Remove the build plate. Important. We recommend that you wait until your printer safety hood has been fully assembled and fitted for software fully. However, you may find it useful to check the instructions on these. Okay. Opening spring pull clip. Adding masking tape to your build. I've been wondering about this. Applying masking tape to the print bed can help the stability of the print during printing. It can also make the finishing object easy to remove once printing is finished. We recommend using 48mm wide tape rather than 24mm to minimise the number of joins. Place the build plate on the flat surface. Run lengths of tape over the plate, leaving enough to fold like that. We recommend using to minimise the number of joints. Place the build plate on a flat surface, run lengths of tape over the plate, leave enough to fold a little underneath at the ends. Don't overlap the strips, instead simply place them as closely as possible to each other, or leave a 1-2mm gap. The clip of the FR-4 heater plate within laminate sheets 111 back on the build plate 107. Okay. 3D Create and Print, printing a file. Okay, once you've sliced it, offline mode. Printing will commence as soon as you have uploaded your file and the printer has warmed up. Your computer will display a live preview of the object prints. In offline mode, when the file has uploaded to the printer, which makes it take some time, you can shut down 3D Create and print application, even detach your computer from the USB print. The printer will continue printing. So this is about online printing. Click print. The print will now heat the nozzle and build plate operating temperature. Okay. Remove the object after printing. Once printing is complete, the printer will bleep and the build plate extruder will heat and return to idle position. Give the printed object a minute or two to cool down and then raise the hood. Using the scraper provided with your Effective 3, ease the blade gently off under base. Give it a twist to pop it off the bed, or if you wait a while you may find the object to release itself as it cools down. Important, take care not to gorge the print bed. After print has finished, leave your printer switched on for 5 minutes to allow it to cool, for the cooling fan to run. Okay, the nozzle will be extremely hot for a time after printing. If you wish to clean the nozzle, clean the detritus from the print area off and nozzle exercise caution. Okay. This is more of the design files. Linkable storage. Oh, I see. Mini spider. Next week will be the lower rear hood frame.
Keep the upper rear hood frame until you have all the parts for this assembly.
That's pretty simple, and there's no, that's 83 next week. So basically all we've got is this bit. Again, like this is like a structure to keep it in one place. That was simply I'll use this to break this bit off, so I don't really need that bit. Basically next week will be this bit, and then the third week, like I said in the previous video, I mean, basically it would end up looking like this. Basically it would look like this. This is the front hood frame bit, so I hope that's not too boring for you, but that's it. So it's just basically a little tip bit, so I've got to get some tape for the, and then put it on the heat bed. So basically that's it. So there's no build this week, and I don't think there'll be any build next week, but in 2 weeks time there will be some more build. So that's it. That's issue. I've got 8 more, because this is completing 90 issues. So 8 issues time I'll be finished. So Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, bye.